Have you ever walked through your warehouse or even your basement and wondered, where did I get all these vases that are crammed on my shelves? All right, we're going to do something with these vases. Okay? I love going to the Asian market. Talk about looking at things differently. Walking the aisles and finding these different ingredients. I mean, I have no idea what these are because it's not written, there's no English in this. What do you do with it? I mean, how about putting tacky glue on this and putting some of these beans right on it? How cool is that? But today, we're going to do a couple things. This is dried seaweed. And they use this for cooking. We're not going to use it for cooking. There is sand in this. But look at the color of this. I love this. Look at this. Very, very cool. So I'm going to wrap this vase. All I'm going to do is wrap it. There is so much sand on this. It's very interesting what they would do with it. All right? I'm just going to cut it then. It feels like leather. It's very, very pliable. So I'm just going to cut it, and it really doesn't matter if it's ragged or what. Wrapping it over. I like this side that is just really, really natural. And I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and just glue it on. Oh my God, I just love this thing. Okay, now I want to adorn it with something. Wire, rope wire. You could wrap it. I just love this. That should be good. Cut it. And knot it. I think that's all I'm going to do with this one. Pretty cool. The wire in it makes it bend however you want it. Pretty neat looking. These could be tall, these could be smaller. This is great to put a centerpiece on. A lot of these vases that we're making, especially the smaller ones, this could be great risers for food or anything. I mean, just really, really neat. So I'm going to put this away. I'm going to use seaweed wrapper for nori seaweed sushi. This is great. Look at this color. It has gold and brown. It's pretty durable. So we can wrap this vase. And what we're going to do is my normal little way of measuring. Okay? Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? I'm going to take it. I'm going to need two pieces of seaweed for this. Put a little bit of hot glue. Put it on one side. Some on the other. Take your second piece and you do the same thing, but instead of wasting all of your time, I'm going to show you a finished piece. This is a round one. It's pretty. Now, with the candle in this, when you see this glowing, the light comes through the seaweed. Just really pretty. Again, with the wire rope, and you can adorn it with a lot of different things. Now, I like, this is jute, and these are just wooden beads. I'm going to take a couple of them, and I'm just going to string them through. Oh, my glasses on. I can't see the holes. Okay. That's pretty cool. Loosen them up. Tie a little knot here. I'll just cut this, and so I have a little bit of slack. It could be here. It could be wrapped around it. There's a lot of different ways that you could do this. This is kind of cool. I'm just going to tie this here. It's kind of cool. I'll just leave this here along with this. Okay. Now, this is burlap garland that you could buy at the craft store or your floral wholesaler, or pretty much anywhere. It's great because it is sewn here so it won't fray. All right. I'm going to take one of our glass dishes here, and I like to find a vessel that, because I don't want to cut this, that will at least go over this. So this will be good. So I'm just going to measure quickly. Good. Cut. Again, hot glue it. Maybe the hot glue isn't the best. The glue tabs work really well for this, but I'm just going to, this is a lot easier because, okay. Just burnt my fingers really, really, really bad. Okay. Moss wire. Love anything with wire in it because it allows me to manipulate what I want done and very quickly. So if I want, I could just keep wrapping this. See, the designs are pretty simple. You can certainly elaborate on any of these. Okay. I'm okay with this. And then I did one earlier. Here is another one in just a different size. These are fun, fun, fun wall bark. And they're really just chips. And it's really bark. And this was just hot glued here. Right? Okay. So we've done these. Here is another version of a taller one. I do want to light this for you, which I'll show you how the light comes through even on this dark color. You can really get creative and use peacock feathers. What are these? What are these?
Pheasant feathers.
Pheasant feathers. Thank you. They could be in them, they could be in here, just a lot of different things. So let me just get this all organized. I'll light the candles, and that is our look for craft day.